get you the latest update from the Delhi High Court, where Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea came up for hearing today, but no decision as of now. So no relief for Chief Minister Kejriwal, who sought bail in the CBI case against him. The Delhi High Court has reserved its order on the plea challenging arrest in the CBI case. The order has been reserved as the High Court next will hear the CBI's arguments against Kejriwal's bail plea. That's been posted for 29th July, so the wait gets longer for Arvind Kejriwal, and for the moment he remains behind bars in Tihar jail. Srishti Ojha is joining us with more details on this. Srishti, next hearing posted for 29th July, but take us through what actually happened in court today. What were the arguments put forth by Kejriwal's lawyer and by the CBI?
Well, yes, Akshata, the court has heard arguments with regard to three aspects. Firstly, Arvind Kejriwal's plea challenging his arrest by the CBI and the subsequent remand to CBI's custody. On that, the court, Delhi High Court, has reserved its orders today. It has also indicated that it is likely to pass an order in the next 5 to 7 days, is what the judge has orally said, that should take 5 to 7 more days to prepare the judgment and pronounce the same. Then there was an interim bail aspect, which was a request which was raised by Kejriwal's lawyers, stating that citing the Supreme Court's order where recently he was granted interim bail, where court has also imposed stringent conditions, his counsels told court that the High Court can also consider releasing him on interim bail till the time it hears and decides his bail plea. So on that particular aspect also the court has reserved its judgment today. Now coming back to the bail pleas is where we saw arguments happen before the High Court with regard to whether or not the Delhi High Court should even decide this particular bail matter in the first place, because remember, Arvind Kejriwal in the CBI case has decided to directly approach the High Court. He did not approach the trial court first with the bail. While Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers today did argue on the bail petition, CBI's counsel told court that the same should happen once his plea challenging arrest is decided. After that, the High Court decided to
opposing the bail plea being put forth by Kejriwal. Srishti will track the latest, but for the moment, thanks for joining us.